Just I got to
go to the hospital.
What?
To go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's what
we're doing. You can get some help.
We're going to the hospital. Relax.
But you going to the hospital to get some help.
Yeah, that's what you're doing. We're going to the hospital. It's all.
25. Airport law enforcement body cam captured a passenger detention.
What
was he doing?
He tried to breach the jetway like twice. He in the bathroom.
What's wrong? He
Tall guy.
Is it drunk?
I don't know.
What's going on? What happened?
I'm trying to catch my flight.
Flight you had? So you were supposed to fly out. What time is your flight? What time is the flight?
What time? Were you drinking or are you taking something? While you was acting so everybody said you were jumping and sleep deprivation. You said sleeping?
Say what happened to this boy? What's going on?
So he boarded the flight. So he scanned him, you walk down the jet bridge. Halfway from the jet bridge, he just turned around and walked off. So I'm trying to get his attention to like what's going on. He doesn't answer nothing. I'm down the jet bridge because I'm tagging back to the flight. She's up here. You walk straight past her. So she's trying to get his attention, like, sir, like, what's going on? He doesn't answer. So she'll be able to tell you more about what happened at the front. So I don't know what's
So the flight left already?
Yeah, the flight already gone. So he didn't say anything. Halfway through in the jet bridge, he just turned around and walked off. So I'm trying to get attention, like, yo, what's going on? He doesn't answer anybody and just walks off. So she was on point, so she'll be able to tell you that.
What is it? Hey, what's going on?
First he walked off the jet bridge, they were trying to get his name. He wasn't replying.
31F.
He wasn't replying. And then when he got to the top, I kind of had to like go in front of him like, sir, what's your name? What's your name? And he's like, Vital. I don't know if that, like, he said it in Spanish? Yeah. And then I got his seat number, he said 13. And I'm like, okay. I looked him up, I saw Vital, it was 31F. He was gone already, and then he comes back when he was on the desk. And then he was trying to get on the aircraft. He tried to run me over, and he went like this. He was ready, and I'm like, "That's the day." And he goes and he backs down, and he left again. He threw himself on the ground, threw his jacket off, and then he came back again. He tried to open the doors, both doors. He couldn't open the doors. That's why the alarms went off. And then after that,
Lower level terminal 1
Alright, let me ask you a question. Are you okay? Have you been drinking?
No.
Are you on any medication or anything?
No, sir.
Is there a reason why you were acting like that at the gate earlier?
No, sir.
Alright, so just so you know, the flight's already left.
Okay.
So what do you need to do right now? We're going to walk you outside.
Another flight, yeah.
Fine.
Yeah. I'll figure it out. Alright, then we're going to walk you outside the house.
Come on, let's go.
The flight's gone.
That's not.
I appreciate it.
Let's go. Alright, let's go over there. Just look good. Listen, alright, as it for right now, today's JetBlue is not going to let you fly. And listen to me. They're not going to let you fly. What you need to do is go home. I don't know what you on, whatever you think, because your behavior was not normal. So they said that you started working, and next time you started walking out, and they're trying to talk to you, you wouldn't respond and stuff like that. If you come back to this airport today and you act like this again, I will take you to jail. You understand? So go home, call the airline, figure it out, and get yourself rebooked, and get yourself situated, and come back and fly whenever you want. Do you have an actual ID on you?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
Let me just see your ID. Just go ahead. Whoever's coming to pick us. Yeah, I'm going to give it to you. I just need your ID so I can take it. Your passport, whatever.
You just got to take a picture of it. He's not taking it.
Yeah, let me take a picture of it.
Let me take a picture of it.
I need your picture ID real quick. Let me see your driver's license.
How would you want to take a picture?
Because I just need a picture. I need to get your date of birth.
I shot the drone.
I needed to take a picture. Just let go of it. And then I'll give it back.
Why are you taking a picture of us? We gotta know who you are.
I'm gonna give me a second. Let me deal with my surgeon. Wait a second.
Sir,
relax.
Hey, wait. I'm not taking the passport.
We'll get it back to you, but not right this minute.
Wait.
You understand? You will get it back, not right now.
2. Passport seizure. A passport is property. Its seizure triggers Fourth Amendment protections. States v. Mendenhall, 1980. A seizure occurs when a reasonable person cannot leave. He said, "You will get it back, not right now." The subject objected. Without a formal arrest or explicit statutory authority, retaining the passport lacks grounding. Federal statute authorizes passport retention during a non-arrest Terry detention. This is a Fourth Amendment property seizure without documented legal authority.
Alright, go ahead. Take the bag off.
We're going to take the bag off.
Hold this.
Put your hands behind your back for right now.
Place your hand behind your back.
Right now, put your hands behind your back. You're being detained while we investigate something. We got additional information. Do you understand? Do you understand? We have additional information about what occurred.
I'm going to explain to you. The way you was acting at the gate over there, you started walking halfway through, and next thing you know, you pull yourself out. This is not a normal behavior. Why now? What we're going to do is you're not being arrested. Let me listen. Listen to me. Let me explain to you. You're not being arrested. You're going to be very active. You're going to be transported to the hospital where you can see the psychiatrist.
Because hospital.
We
need to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's what
we're doing. We need to get some help.
We're going to the hospital. Relax.
Because you're going to the hospital to get some help.
Yeah, that's what you're doing. We're going to the hospital. It's all.
3. Use of force. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force must be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective. Court lists 3 factors: severity of crime, immediate threat, and active resistance. 2025. The subject displayed no weapon and struck no officer. Multiple officers were present. The environment was a controlled airport terminal. May pass the Graham threshold. Leg shackles on top require a higher justification. A non-violent, outnumbered, disoriented subject does not typically warrant shackling. Continuum from verbal commands to restraints was not clearly observed here. 4. Mental health encounter standards. The officer acknowledged the subject needed a psychiatric evaluation, not a jail cell. Involuntary psychiatric transport requires state mental health statute authority. Baker, California, 5th and 5th York, MHL, GAF line 941. Terry's stop framework does not authorize psychiatric transport on its own. The legal mechanism used for the transport was never stated on camera, a critical gap. Crisis intervention training standards require calm, respectful communication. Telling a distressed subject to shut up violates those standards directly.
Y'all here trying to help you.
I'm not being arrested. Just relax.
Hey, stop that, buddy.
Relax.
Hey.
What are you doing? Alright, take him down. Get him down.
Get on the ground.
Come on.
Stop, buddy. Stop. Buddy. Stop. Yo! Get it down here. Get it marked down here.
¡Mira! ¡Que no pueden hacer esto! ¡No pueden hacer esto! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Let's sit him down.
What are you doing?
Fist off his mind.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Excuse me. Oh, my phone! It's a phone. It's a phone. Please, let me have my phone.
No.
Let me have my phone.
Buddy.
Let me have my phone. Get him in his unit. Oh my God! No, hey, stop! Stop! Why are you doing this to me?
Relax.
Listen
Why
to
are you
me.
doing this to
Listen to me. Stop talking
Why are
for a
you doing
second.
this to me?
Shut up. Stop being difficult. It's gonna be worse for you. Stop being difficult. Stop moving. Stop moving. I don't need to hear you right now. Just shut up for 2 seconds.
Yes.
Stop moving. Okay? I don't need you to reach in your freaking pockets to get a phone. You'll have enough time to do that. Do you understand me? Look at me. Stop acting like a knucklehead.
Understood.
Listen to these deputies' instructions. Okay?
I'm listening,
It's
sir.
not time for you
Sir,
to start
I'm
being
listening.
ridiculous.
Sir, I'm listening.
Okay. Don't move.
I'm listening.
Okay.
I'm listening.
Okay, then stay right there. We're gonna put you in shackles now.
What are you doing?
We're searching you. We need to make sure you don't have any weapons. Do you think we're gonna believe you? We need to make sure. Oh, thank you so much for letting me know. You still have to check. It's your job.
I don't have any weapons.
Okay, great. Thank you for letting us know.
313.
Stop flexing, buddy.
Fuck out!
Stop flexing.
Wow,
It's gonna get worse.
me.
If you pull away again, it's gonna get worse.
I'm not trying to pull away. I'm not pulling away.
Stop flexing. You're good.
I'm
Relax.
not pulling away. Can somebody please help? Call help. Somebody like record this. Can somebody please record this?
30 times.
Can somebody please record this? Record this, please. Record this, please. Hello?
We're recording. You're on camera right now. Everybody here is recording. Don't worry about it. We have plenty of video footage of you. Right here, my camera is recording you.
The radio unit at lower level that response. Bravo 4-2, can you copy?
Alright, are we done searching or not
Can
yet?
somebody please record this? Can somebody please record this? Please record this. Please record this. Please record this.
Move again and you're gonna have
Somebody
break your
please
wrist.
record this.
Yeah.
I respect you guys.
Come on.
Guys.
Let's get him up.
I respect you guys, but I need you guys to please, like, treat me like a human being.
Go in the car.
Get in there.
Go in the car. You'll get it.
Get in there.
Please, man, my ID, my
Get in there.
passport and my ID.
We'll give them to you later. Come on, get in there.
They're right there.
Get in there, man.
They're right there. They're right there. You're gonna get on your property.
Search them one more time.
You're gonna get everything. Can they please have my passport? Can they please have my passport? Stop.
Stop. I already told you you're gonna have.
Can they please have my passport? Can I please have my passport?
There's nothing in this pocket.
I don't have anything, guys. I don't
Get
have
in there,
anything.
please. Put in there.
I don't have anything.
Oh my God.
You're gonna have to go in the car. Now you wanna push it.
Hold his upper body and then grab his legs. Hold his upper body. Hold his upper body. You got it? I got it.
Get in there.
You got the upper body. Grab it. You're not gonna hold it.
Yeah, that's
Raises serious 4th and 14th Amendment questions. This is a legal analysis of what the Constitution requires and what the footage reveals. Issue 1. The investigative detention, v. Ohio, 1968, permits a brief detention based on reasonable articulable suspicion. Suspicion must be tied to specific criminal conduct, not merely unusual behavior. Sir stated, "The way you was acting, this is not normal behavior. Abnormal behavior is not a criminal offense. Terry requires more than a hunch. Attempted forced entry into a secured jet bridge door is the strongest justification." 9 U.S.C. 6553. Interference with airport security personnel is a federal offense. Conduct, if proven, provides the articulable suspicion the officer never stated on camera. To articulate the specific basis on camera is a procedural gap, not a fatal flaw. Courts scrutinize post hoc justifications when no contemporaneous reason was given. Q5. Right to record. Subject called for bystanders to record, a constitutionally protected act. Cunniff. Furser, 2011. Citizens have a First Amendment right to film police. The officers did not interfere with bystander recording. That conduct was appropriate. Come. As of this analysis, no criminal charges or civil filings have been publicly identified. Officer's stated intent was transport for evaluation, not a formal arrest. The detention lacked legal grounding. A paragraph 1983 civil rights claim may be viable. Section 1983 allows civil suits against officers acting under color of law. Port seizure and shackling without documented authority are the strongest grounds. Grades. Officer receives a C. Wellness inquiry and supervisor consultation were appropriate early-stage actions, but no specific criminal offense was articulated to justify the formal detention. Passport retention lacked legal authority. Shackling exceeded the threat level. Demeaning language toward a mentally distressed subject falls below CIT standards. Subject receives a B. He complied verbally during initial contact and did not strike any officer. Correctly invoked his right to have witnesses record the encounter. Conduct, forcing a secured door, created legitimate law enforcement concern. Conduct potentially violates 49 U.S. Graph 46503 regardless of mental state. He receives a C+. Rapid response and medical disposition rather than arrest reflect sound judgment. No policy was demonstrated for document handling during non-arrest foreign national contacts. Force escalation protocols and site integration appear to need institutional review. 2 lessons learned. 1. Always state the specific legal basis for detention on camera contemporaneously. Hoc justification is legally weaker and tactically indefensible under Terry. 2. Passport retention during a non-arrest stop requires explicit statutory authority. That authority, return the document and document the subject's information instead. 3. Mental health indicators demand de-escalation, not force escalation. Shackling, a disoriented, nonviolent subject creates liability and worsens the crisis. Language standards apply even under stress. Shut up has no place here. The legal mechanism for psychiatric transport must be stated on camera clearly. Flating a Terry stop with a mental health hold exposes the detention to legal challenge. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover. Thank you for watching.